The current trading price of Axie Infinity is approximately 6.0894 per coin, falling within a range of 5.9876 to 6.1190. This represents a slight increase from the previous day's closing price of 6.0478, which is of notable significance. The observed change in the exchange rate between United States dollars and Axies was 0.0416 and 0.69, which can be considered significant in practical terms. The aim of this analysis is to provide an academic perspective on the anticipated value of Axie Infinity in the near future. Specifically, we will focus on the cost projection for Axie Infinity on Monday, August 7th, which is projected to be 6.02 units. The value of 6.44 is significantly more than the value of 5.60, which is of utmost importance. On Tuesday, August 1st, the estimated cost of Axie Infinity ranged from 5.64, which can be considered the lowest value, to 6.48, which can be considered the highest value. The average cost was approximately 6.06. These figures hold particular significance in the context of Axie Infinity's market dynamics. On Wednesday, August 2nd, the cost of Axie Infinity was observed to be 5.95, which was notably the highest value recorded. The value of 6.37 is significantly lower than the minimum threshold of 5.53, so clearly contradicting the prevailing consensus within the mainstream discourse. On Thursday, August 3rd, the price of the Axie Infinity gauge was recorded at 5.64, which can be considered as the highest value. The item was indeed rented for a specific duration. The anticipated value of Axie Infinity in the years 2023, 2024, and 2027 is projected to be substantial, with significant growth over multiple weeks. The anticipated price of Axie Infinity for Friday, August 4th, is approximately $5.75, representing a quite high value. The value of 6.15 is significantly greater than the value of 5.35, indicating a substantial difference between the two. On Monday, August 7th, the estimated cost of Axie Infinity was 5.65, which can be considered as the highest value. The value of 6.05 is notably greater than 5.25 in a truly meaningful manner. On Tuesday, August 8th, the cost of Axie Infinity was seen to be 5.65, which may be considered relatively high. On Wednesday, August 9th, the price of an Axie Infinity figure was 5.73, which can be considered as a relatively high cost compared to the minimum price of 5.25. In a highly significant manner, the value of 5.33 is sorted as the least among a set of numbers. The anticipated pricing of Axie Infinity on Thursday, August 10th, is projected to range between 5.41 minimum and 6.23 maximum, indicating a significant fluctuation over a span of 14 days. On Friday, August 11th, the price of an Axie Infinity figurine reached a maximum value of 5.78. On Monday, August 14th, the expected cost of Axie Infinity was 6.18, with a minimum of 5.38 and a maximum of 6.32. However, it should be noted that the actual cost was 5.91, which falls within the lower range of the expected values at 5.50. This data holds important importance in analyzing the price fluctuations of Axie Infinity. On Tuesday, August 15th, the price of Axie Infinity in Asia ranged from a minimum of 5.38 to a maximum of 6.18, with an average of 5.78. Similarly, on Wednesday, August 16th, the price of Axie Infinity in Asia ranged from a minimum of 5.32 to a maximum of 6.12, with an average of 5.72. These figures challenge the prevailing belief. The pricing of Axie Infinity on Thursday, August 17th, was 5.47, which can be considered as the highest price. The value of 5.85 is often greater than or equal to 5.09 during a period of 1 week. The anticipated cost of Axie Infinity on Friday, August 4th, ranged from a minimum of 5.35 to a maximum of 6.15, with an average of 5.75. This significant fluctuation in price occurred over a span of 3 weeks. The anticipated cost of Axie Infinity on Friday, August 18th, ranged from a minimum of 5.67 to a maximum of 6.53, with the majority of individuals expecting it to be around 6.10. The conjectured cost of Axie Infinity on Monday, August 21st, was approximately 6.18, with a maximum estimate of 6.61 and a minimum estimate of 5.75. On Tuesday, August 22nd, the expected cost of Axie Infinity was 6.32, with a maximum estimate. The value of 6.76 is comparatively less than 5.88, which is of significant importance. On Wednesday, August 23rd, the price of Axie and listeners reached a value of 6.32, which was notably the highest observed during that period. The value of 6.76 is significantly more than the minimum threshold of 5.88, which holds true importance. The anticipated cost of Axie Infinity on Thursday, August 24th, ranged from 5.79 as the lowest price to 6.67 as the highest price, indicating a significant fluctuation. Within a month, on Friday, August 25th, the price of Axie Infinity was recorded at 6.13, which was the highest price observed during that period. The value of 6.56 is aesthetically pleasing, while the minimum value of 5.70 is presented in a subtle and inconspicuous manner. The anticipated price of Axie Infinity on Monday, August 28th, is approximately $6.30, which may be considered as one of the highest values. The prevailing consensus was that the value of 6.74 was considered to be at least 5.86 or slightly higher. On Tuesday, August 29th, the price of Axie Infinity was observed to be between $6.13 and $6.56, with an average of $5.70. This indicates a change of $0.0416 or 0.69% in the United States dollar exchange rate. Currently, the exchange rate stands at 0.1642 coins per $1, compared to the previous range of 0.1634 to 0.1670. This data suggests that on Wednesday, August 2nd, the maximum price of Axie Infinity was $5.95. The value of 6.37 has been temporarily replaced by about 5.53, as initially believed. There has been a slight change of 0.001